Determine how much sleep you need. Most adults need between 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, even on weekends. Consider your natural circadian rhythm, or your body's internal clock, and try to schedule your bedtime around it. Avoid caffeine and nicotine in the evening, as they can keep you awake. Exercise regularly, but avoid working out too close to bedtime as it can interfere with sleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath or reading a book. Avoid consuming heavy meals or alcohol close to bedtime. Make your bedroom a comfortable and calming environment by keeping it cool, quiet, and dark. Use your bed only for sleeping and intimacy, not for work or watching TV. Consider using a white noise machine or earplugs to block out external noises that could disrupt sleep. Limit exposure to screens, such as phones and laptops, for at least an hour before bedtime. Experiment with different bedtimes to find the optimal time that works for you. Keep a consistent sleep schedule even on the weekends. Avoid napping during the day, or limit it to a short power nap of 20 to 30 minutes. Avoid stimulating activities before bedtime, such as engaging in an argument or watching a scary movie. Keep a sleep diary to track your sleep patterns and identify any habits or factors that may be affecting your sleep. Use a comfortable mattress and pillows that support your preferred sleeping position. Avoid working or studying in bed, as it can make it harder to switch off and fall asleep. Consider speaking with a sleep specialist if you are experiencing persistent insomnia or other sleep disorders. Be patient and persistent in sticking to a consistent sleep schedule, as it may take some time to establish a healthy sleep routine.